Hello everyone, this is Fixed Maintenance College. I am Anthony. Today we will have Lesson 9, iPhone 8 Sensor Principle. iPhone 8 with compass, gyroscope, accelerator, and baroreceptor. The main function of compass is to use the electromagnetic effect to guide the north-south direction. The main function of gyroscope is to detect the status of the phone in space. The main function of the accelerator is to detect the motion status of the phone. The main function of the baroreceptor is check the atmospheric pressure at the current position of the phone to confirm in which height of the phone. There are three sensors in iPhone 8 PCB: baroreceptor, compass, gyroscope, and accelerator. There should be four, but the compass and accelerator are in the same IC. Baroreceptor is on the PCB and next to the compass. Accelerator and gyroscope are under the PCB. This is baroreceptor. It is to check the atmospheric pressure at the current position of the phone to confirm in which height of the phone. This is compass. Main function is to use the electromagnetic effect to guide the north-south direction. Gyroscope and accelerator is in this IC. The main function of gyroscope is to detect the status of the phone. And the main function of accelerator is to detect the motion status of the phone. iPhone 8 sensor circuit principle. There are two conditions for the sensor working: power and signal. PMU provide 1.8 voltage power to the sensor. CPU control compass, gyroscope, accelerator, and baroreceptor by SPI lines. A2 of U3610 is a pulse signal of CPU from CPU to compass. A1 of U3610 is interrupt signal from compass to CPU. Pin 2 of U3620 is a pulse signal of CPU from CPU to baroreceptor. Pin 7 of U3620 is interrupt signal from baroreceptor to CPU. Pin 5 of U3360 is a pulse signal of CPU from CPU to gyroscope and accelerator. Pin 7 of U3360 is interrupt signal from gyroscope and accelerator to CPU. And pin 6 of U3360 is the data ready signal from gyroscope and accelerator to CPU. Now, let's check iPhone 8 sensor repair idea. Generally, there are two kinds ever of iPhone 8 sensor. One kind is whole ever. Another kind is partial ever. 1. Whole ever. Number 1. Make the phone to DFU mode. Upgrade the system version by iTunes. Number 2. Take out PCB. Check any damage marks, such as water damage, deformation, IC broken at. Number 3. Check PP1VA power OK or not. Number 4. Replace NAND and rewrite the underlying data from NAND. Number 5. Check SPI lines between sensor and CPU. 2. Partial ever. Number 1. Replace sensor IC. Number 2. Take out IC and check the solder of PCB pad OK or not. iPhone repair reference. Because there's no relevant case for iPhone 8, so we take the case for iPhone X for example. This case is iPhone X, the wake up function cannot be used after a heavy fall. According to customer descriptions, the iPhone X automatic wake up screen function was disabled after the iPhone X fall. Analyzation. iPhone X automatic wake up function is realized by the CPU through the 3-dimension gyroscope sensor to detect the status of the handheld phone. Solution. According to the analysis, we learned that the 3-dimensional gyro sensor on the motherboard should not work normally. Use a quick A61X hot air gun, temperature 450, airspeed 80, and remove the U3600 3D gyroscope sensor. After removing the IC, it was found that the pin 5, pin 6, and pin 7 of the pads were disconnected. Pin 5 is defined as SPI, AOP, TO, ACCEL, GYRO, CSL. Pin 6 is defined as ACCEL, GYRO, TO, AOP, DATA, RDY. Pin 7 is defined as ACCEL, GYRO, TO, AOP, INT. Handle the pads on the motherboard. Fix the pin 5, pin 6, and pin 7. Jumper and reinstall the 3D gyroscope IC. Install it and test it. Perfectly false repair. Okay, this is the course today. More repair cases, please check on our book, iPhone Maintenance Point and Inspire. I am Anthony. Let's meet next time. Bye.